First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, we may soon be looking at the first hard freeze of the season come later this week. We had the frost yesterday morning, first frost in the area. We had a little bit out there this morning, and we're going to see a couple more opportunities for some frost as we go through the work week as more Arctic air begins to move into the region. Here's a look at First Alert Live Doppler radar. All is clear. Everything looking good. 62 degrees. Current temperature reading on the at the Benzonet site here. And as we take a look at temperatures elsewhere across south central Kentucky, Mesonet sites showing mainly 60s across south central Kentucky. And most of these 60-degree temperatures, low 60s for the moment, like 60 down in Burkesville, Albany, Campbellsville, Hodgenville. You see a little bit more into the low to mid 50s back to the west, where a more southerly wind flow is coming in just ahead of our cold front, which will be here tonight, late tonight, and that's going to bring us another chance for showers. And behind that, yet another big cool down, as you'll see. Here is the live view from our Doppler cam, courtesy of AAA Systems, looking at the hill at Western. All is sunny for now, but I do expect some high clouds to move in a little bit later this afternoon. 62 degrees the current temperature reading with a southwest wind at 9, 53% humidity and the barometer falling at this hour. Here's the view from Litchfield in our AAA Systems weather cam in Grayson County. Off in the distance, you can see a little bit of cloud cover. That's those high clouds that'll be scooting in here later today. 60 degrees your current temperature, but you started at 38 for a low this morning. Munfordville, sunny, 61. You started at 34, probably with a little bit of patchy frost there this morning. Here's Glasgow with a temperature of 61 and sunny. You started with a low of 37 this morning. And here's Mammoth Cave National Park, bringing out a little bit more color, faint color for now, but I think with these shots of colder air coming in, certainly more color in the coming days. You're at 61 degrees. 61 at the Bowling Green Airport, 50s and 60s off to the north and east of us, while off to the west, we're beginning to see signs of that cold front starting to make some headway our direction as temperatures are falling there 10 to almost 15 degrees colder right now than at this hour yesterday, while we are 6 degrees warmer than we were just yesterday at 11 o'clock. We're also seeing evidence of that next front coming in. Look at these showers from just north of Indianapolis and then stretching down to about Joplin, Springfield, Missouri. That's the Clipper system, the first in a series of systems that's going to be moving in over the next couple of days. Here comes the first one tonight with an increase in cloud cover, so it will be warmer tonight. We're not worried about frost around the area this evening. But then late tonight, early tomorrow morning, we do look at a chance of showers moving through the area, but this is a fast-moving system. Behind the front, it'll be about 10 degrees cooler tomorrow than what we're feeling today. And then a secondary clipper is going to come in as we get into, say, Tuesday night into Wednesday. With that, a slight chance of showers. And even parts of northern Kentucky might even see a few wet snowflakes mixed in. But it's not a big deal. Ground temperatures are still too warm, so anything that does fall would just quickly dissipate as it hits the ground. And by the way, there's a new tropical depression way out in the Atlantic. As you can see, it's going away from the U.S. and not near. This is Tropical Depression 13. If it does become a storm, it would be called Lorenzo. How's that for the next name on the list? Sunny and warmer, 68 the high today. Then for tonight, increasing clouds, chance of a shower, 45 the overnight low. Then tomorrow, a 50% chance of morning showers and 58, much chillier than today. And then here's where we start to see the prospects of maybe getting down close to freezing on those nights after highs in the low 50s, lows near freezing. Could be our first hard freeze. These are Thursday night into Friday morning. If not then certainly Friday night into Saturday morning. Tina?
All right, Chris, actually those temperatures are perfect for this because WKU Homecoming is this weekend, and after the break, we're talking about the annual chili and cheese luncheon to get ready. Stay with us.